In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Calendar Goals feature. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set a clear, trackable goal right inside your calendar, so it's easier to stay organized and accountable. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once your calendar view has loaded, look for the Create button. You'll usually find this near the top left of the screen. Go ahead and click on Create. This is where you normally add events, reminders, or other calendar items, and it's also where you'll start when you want to set up a goal. After clicking Create, a small menu will appear with several options. From that list, click on Task. In Google Calendar, goals are often managed as tasks because they represent specific things you want to accomplish, not just events you're attending. Choosing Task tells Google Calendar that you're setting something you need to do, which you can then mark as complete later. Next, you'll see a panel or pop-up where you can fill in the details of your new task. In the title field, type in your goal. Keep this short but specific, so it's clear at a glance. For example, instead of just writing exercise pamamasi, you might type 30-minute morning workout or practice piano. A clear goal title makes it easier to recognize what you're committing to and helps you stay focused when you see it on your calendar. Below the title, you'll find a larger area where you can type in a goal description. This is where you can add more detail or context. You might include why the goal matters to you, what exactly you plan to do, or any small steps you want to remember. For example, you could write stretch for 5 minutes, then 12 minutes of cardio, or review scales, then practice one new song. Adding a useful description can make your goal more concrete and easier to follow when the time comes. Once you're happy with the title and description, take a quick moment to double check everything. Make sure the wording is clear and that it matches what you really want to achieve. When you're ready, click on Save. This adds your goal as a task in Google Calendar. You'll now see it appear in your calendar view, ready for you to schedule, track, and eventually mark as complete as you work toward your goals.